Who are you talking about? I have no idea. Who's a snitch? Dynamic, point them out. Let's kick out all the snitches. Let's kick out the snitches. At least buy some tape. No, we're fine. All right, so he said, excuse me, do you work here? I was told to come out, take a left this way. I'm looking for the trash because I need to find some broken wood pieces. So, do I go out this way or is it out?
You need wood pieces?
Just broken scraps. Like I'm a recycler.
They're outside.
Outside
so
that way?
You have to go out that door and.
Okay, so it's not in here.
Not in here.
It's over there. Thank you so much, sir.
Your content has been great.
Shut up, gotta farts.
Lately.
Get the fuck out of here. You trolling, bro. You trolling. Thank you for the $4. You trolling, bro. All the employees are definitely cool with it. All of you.
That's nice.
Chicken shit.
That's nice.
Snitches, get out of here.
Ooh.
All you chicken shit snitches out of here. I'm looking for some mulch. I need some stuff for my orchid. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Can't you fly Kiara?
No. I'm sorry to bother you, but can I'm looking for some material for an orchid, and I feel like you would have a great idea.
No, but you got Google.
True. But I like to interact. Okay. I see. See ya. Google. That's not the point. It's faster just talking to somebody in person. Just faster to talk. Was I in the wrong there? It's just so much faster to get an answer. Yeah, she says no, but you got Google. It's easier to just say the answer. Google's for those who have the time and patience to sit on a computer. We ain't got time for that. Oh my gosh. Eba123456 thank you for the follow. Hold on, God of Farts did a TTS that didn't go through. It's faster to Google. That's not true. You have to go through so many websites. Sorry. It's my phone. Jesus, what is wrong with you guys? Nobody, why does everyone seem like they're ignoring? Is it because they're